guys, welcome back to LANIE. We're in Vegas and we are walking into Caesar's Palace. So the next few days while we're in Vegas, we're going to be doing a lot of eating and a lot of food tasting, and we'll keep you guys posted. So here we are walking through Caesar's Palace. This is the front where you check in. Hubby and I got like 4 nights free stay from this casino, so we decided to take advantage of it. And we were like walking through this whole hotel because this was our first time staying here, and it was super duper nice. It was so pretty, and just the art of it all, it was just breathtaking. Here in this section is called the Caesar Shop Forum, where they have very many name brand stores that you can visit. And here I am in the Louis Vuitton store again, just trying to see which bags I was gonna buy on this trip. And yeah, I was going through like very many different styles and colors and couldn't decide which one I like. So in the end, this is the one where I end up choosing the Sally bag. Later on that day, we decided to Uber around Vegas. It was such a beautiful day, so we Ubered around to try to find something good to eat. And then we ended up at the Sign Expo before we stopped to eat. This was the Sign Expo because we actually own a sign company, and if you guys want to check it out, it is Blue Diamond Signs. This was something really neat for us to see. They had like huge printers. This may not interest a lot of people, but it's amazing to see that some of the printing that you see on cups, shirts, whatnot, anything that has printing, these are the machines that, you know, produce these items. And so we stopped at this one booth and we looked at this printer. He turned this little plastic cup into a beautiful little print, as you can see here on the left hand side. I mean, that printer made all this printing, so that was pretty cool. Overall, this machine was amazing. This event was pretty exciting to see, and so check it out if you're ever in Vegas. So we had a craving for some boba, and we wanted to drive around Vegas and look for some place, and we ended up at IKEA. Hey guys, it's LANIE here. So we just got finished eating our Thai food and we decided to go drink some bubble tea. So as of right now, we are at IKEA, like IKEA, but it's IKEA. And I got the sea salt green tea with grass jelly, and my husband got the grapefruit green tea with half mango and half lychee jelly. And this place we've gone to last year before. So it's super cute, super delicious, and it's a cute little environment with like walls that you can take pictures with. So if you guys are interested, this is the bubble tea place to go. They also have kung fu tea here, but it wasn't that great, so we decided to come here instead. If you come to Vegas, tell them you came here because of LANIE's Cook. It's delicious. The sea salt green tea with grapefruit jelly. It's very good. You guys would like this. The sea salt's a little bit kind of like on the more fatty side, but I like it. I like it when they make it real fatty and good. Yeah, I'm a fatty.
Is it the same sea salt they put in your bath?
No. Sea salt. It's sea salt foam. We use sea salt to cook. It's not the one that you put in your bath. This is why I love this here. So after IKEA boba tea, we decided to go find something to eat, and we wanted to try out some dim sum, and this one place was highly recommended. It's called the Ping Pang Pong Dim Sum Kitchen, that's located inside the Gold Coast Casino. This is a must try if you're in Vegas and you're looking for some good dim sum. It's always packed. It's just a lot of people in this place, and the food is just delicious. Okay, so we just sat down, and this place is kind of neat because they have a menu and then they have their carts coming around here. So
Hello, you want to try this one? be nice.
Is it like fresh onion soup?
Do you want to get that or no? Thank you. It's kind of neat. I mean, it's pretty traditional. Like everybody's wearing old clothes and the cart is really old. So we're excited to try this out and see how it goes. So we tried one of their shrimp dumplings with the bell pepper and the black bean sauce. Very good. Very good. It's like they did like a minced shrimp and made like a meatball out of it and steamed it. And then like yeah. See, it's like a minced shrimp ball. Very delicious. I don't even think it needs sauce on it because it's too good.
What kind of duck?
Roast duck.
No, not yet. Wasabi duck? No, not yet, not yet.
Oh, excuse me, do you have sauce? Yeah. Yes. That's good, thank you.
Co zrobić jest You have chicken feet? Chicken feet, yeah. Later. Oh, sure. How is it? Is it delicious?
Which places like you can use is nice. You got like big old beef stock over here. Very good. So what we have here is a barbecue pork bun, which is not what we normally see because it looks like a pate shroud, but we're going to try this instead. What do you call it? Barbecue pork bun. It's like wrapped up in like some kind of filet pastry, so let's see. Oh my god. Wow. This is so delicious. It's like, as soon as you take a bite into it, it has like this very like sweet, buttery barbecue bun like taste. It's so delicious. Like if you guys come here to dim sum here in Vegas, you have to try this out. This is like, I've never had it before. It's like out of this world. It's so yummy. Oh my god. Can I get that one? The what? No.
The other shrimp.
Yeah, not this one, but the other shrimp. Yeah.
What's the name of this called?
Air shrimp. Thank you. This is new. He said it was like a sesame shrimp crepe, which looked really unique. So we don't have this in our hometown, so if I wanted to try it, and it has like some kind of, it's like a mayo aioli to go with it. It's pretty good. And then over here it looks like a bell pepper with a shrimp dumpling on it with some sauce on the side. So we're going to try that out. And then this is nothing special on the dim sum cart, but it looked delicious, and I just couldn't pass up some big old prawns with some jalapenos in it. And then we got chicken feet over here too. I don't the chicken feet. I told you guys. I tried it and it's not the same. So, anyway, we wanted to try some different things on dim sum part. So, everything's so far has been perfect. Oh my god. It's so delicious. Oh my god. I don't know what they put in this, but
Crack cocaine.
no. It's like wrapped in sesame. I don't even know what the filling looks like. Maybe like some kind of like rice paper. And there's shrimp inside of this, and then the sauce to go with this. It's just so amazing. Oh my god. So far, hands down, this is the best dim sum place I think I've ever eaten in my life.
In the world.
Yeah. This is like the best dim sum that we have had. And I'm glad we tried it because we've been to Vegas very many times and we have always missed this place for some reason. So today we made it. We wanted to be sure that this would be on our bucket list for this trip this time. So I'm glad we are actually trying this out today. It was very delicious. You guys have to try it. Oh my goodness, you guys, that food was so delicious. So if you're looking for some good dim sum, make sure you try Ping Pang Pong. It's located in the Gold Coast Casino off of Flamingo Road. Okay, it's delicious. So after this, we decided to head back to the hotel and do some gambling. Hubby and I, we really like this machine. It's called the pinball, and here we are just spending some money and winning some money. It was a really fun night. And if you guys ever go to Caesars, find this machine to play. It's pretty simple, and I think this was a $5 machine. Minimum bet was 5, maximum bet was 10. You do have to play two bets, which is $10 to actually win this bonus ball. It'll give you more balls to win, so make sure you guys play it. This was a hit of $450 on the bonus round, so it was a pretty fun night. You guys, thank you for watching, and please be sure to subscribe and like this video if you haven't, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks guys, have a great day.